What's up, guys? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I'm sincerely Niko. In today's video, we're going to be trying out not one but two foundations. We're going to be trying out the ELF. This is the Halo Glow Liquid Filter Foundation. We're going to be trying this out, and we're also going to be trying out the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. So if you guys are interested in these type of foundations and how I created this flawless base with these two, then definitely keep on watching this video. But before we get into it, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. You're not going to regret it. Be a part of the EXO squad where we get lit on this side of YouTube. Also, make sure you guys comment down below other foundations you guys would love for me to try out. I would love for you to do that so I can keep this foundation hunt rolling. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right on into this video. Alright, y'all, so the eyeshadow is pretty much done. I tried to do my version of the latte makeup, but girl, it ended up turning into a smoky eye. But nevertheless, I'm going to do the lower lash line when we get to that part. In today's video, we're going to be trying out some new foundations. I'm going to get back into my bag, and you guys know I do foundation hunts on this channel. So if you guys are completely new, I would love for you guys to follow me because I like to review foundations. Nevertheless, I'm going to be reviewing two foundations in this video. It's a 2-for-1. The first one I'm going to be reviewing, of course, is the ELF. This is the Liquid Halo Glow. I have finally got my hands on this foundation, or Skin Tint, Radiant Skin Tint. I have it in the shade number 8. And then I have the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I have it in the shade 374. I'm going to check to see if this actually has any coverage. If you guys suffer from hyperpigmentation like I do as well, then this video will be definitely beneficial for you. I want to try to find something super lightweight as much as possible. I know that this does have hyaluronic acid built into it, so it's going to really plump my skin and it's going to really give me what I need. So I'm going to see if this is going to be my new little combination holy grail moment. And if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. So if you guys have this foundation or tint, this is the Charlotte Tilbury, the Hollywood Filter Glow. This is supposed to be like a dupe to it. I don't know. I'm gonna do a little swatcheroo to see if the colors are the same. I have it in shade 8 from the Charlotte Tilbury, and then this is the ELF. The ELF tint in shade number 8. Almost close. The ELF is just a little bit more golden-y compared to the Charlotte, but you could definitely see that glow. You could definitely see that glow within that particular foundation. So I'm still gonna try it out. It's a little bit lighter than what I normally go for. I like to go a little bit tannish, but alright, so far I'm actually liking this. I'm really liking this. It's giving very light coverage. I'm gonna see how much coverage it'll give in this area. Okay, ELF. Super. So this got some, what is this supposed to be? It got coverage. Surprisingly, it got coverage. This got some coverage. Okay. Okay, yeah. I don't even think I'm gonna do the Superstay. I'm liking this like whole little like backlit like filter that this is giving me. It looks super like healthy skin. I can vibe with this on an everyday basis. Like Miss ELF T. Now, I will definitely say that It's not a dupe to the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Glow. This is literally like a tint. Like, this don't really have that much coverage. It just gives you like a nice glow filter that you can still build something on top of. This, I could wear this by itself, and this elf by itself, and just be okay with it. Because as y'all can see, it literally covered up my hyperpigmentation on my jawline real quickly. Like, baby, I could stop right here. Video over. Y'all have a good night. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Superstay on top of this, just to see if I can build on top of it. Yeah. Okay, this is gonna give you like a super bright under eye. Okay. Alright, y'all, so this pretty much completes this look. Honestly, truth be told, this is going in rotation, baby. I'm finna throw this in rotation. Like it's a standing ovation, baby.
Cause I ain't shit. I'm working on it.
Retail price for this was $14, I think. I think if you haven't gotten this, then you need to get it because this is very much medium coverage foundation. It gives what it needs. Of course, I did add on the Superstay a little bit because it was giving not quite my shade, but it had coverage. Now I mixed a little bit of this one because it's a little bit more deeper, just to kind of give me the depth that I need to match my neck really good. And then of course my concealer gives my perfect highlight underneath my eyes, so it's giving what it needs to give. But this is my new combination. Honestly, this is my new combination. I don't know. This look is given. This is very much a smooth base, nice and pretty, very beautiful. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop off of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, a little review of two foundations, a 2-in-1. If you guys did, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you made it this far and you have not subscribed, please do so. Hit that subscribe button. Join me here on YouTube. I would love to see you guys in the next video. I'm going to be coming back and creating more content and getting you back into my first love, which was YouTube, because I started this back in like 2013. So it's my 10-year anniversary coming up real soon. So let me get up into this gig. So I hope you guys subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what foundation you guys would love me to try out next that you guys are interested in. I do have another foundation I want to put on my list, which is the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin. I want to try that out, of course, with the concealer that just came out. And I want to do the House Lab with the House Lab concealer that's coming out real soon too. So if you guys want to see those type of videos where I do like a full face situation with the foundation concealers and just see how it works on my skin and coverage wise, let me know. I will try to do those more. Instead of just doing foundation reviews, I try to do complexion review products in general. But I'm getting back into my glam bag and I hope you guys are here for it. But I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna get off of here and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.